Hey guys, welcome back to the Food Monologue Studios. Firstly, we would like to wish all our viewers a very happy and prosperous Diwali. Today, we are going to make the traditional besan laddus with a twist. Instead of sugar, we are going to use jaggery. Let's take a recap. List of all the ingredients for the Besan Jaggery Ladoos are displayed here. A link containing step-by-step written, downloadable and printable instructions is included in the description below. Do check that out. If you like this recipe, share with friends and family and give the video a like. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the Food Monologues channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.